I'm back again with the Tucson, and on a bit of an Easter hunt. I went inside and I found a surprise. Because I was just poking around here and I lifted up this magic carpet and 4 magic doors right there. So, you know what that means. First I'm going to have a closer look, and then I'm going in with a hanger. And I want to see it come out the other end, otherwise it's no fun. So right down here by your accelerator, there's a panel. You just grab it on top and rip her out. Okay, so after that I thought I was really clever, and I came up with this idea to attach a red wire to the hanger and feed it through the hole. And if that's not enough, the hanger and wire came out the bottom. So after that I just couldn't stop, and I kept feeding wire after wire after wire. And several hours later I realized that I had something inside my house that would actually connect to the wires that I ran through the center console. So I immediately strapped on my gloves and goggles, ran inside and grabbed this thing, and I got some help lifting it out into the car. So then I had to catch my breath and calm down, put it into position, and it was the missing piece to the puzzle. So now that I got this mystery solved, I have this switchboard. It's a 7-gang, 5-pin switchboard, and I can turn on my fuse box, I can turn on my fog lights, and any and every accessory that I install on this car from here on out. Alright, so you guys seen my wiring method for the switchboard down through the console, out through the bottom, and in my future videos you're going to see how I got through the firewall for the fuse box and everything else. And this video is just about the switchboard. I hope you liked it. I hope you could join me for my future videos. I got the fog light and the fuse box coming soon. I think it's going to be fuse box first and then the fog light next after that, because I got the switchboard to control it all and it's all wired, so I just gotta wire it to the relay in the engine bay. So that's really not too long away. If you could subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll be notified of the next video I make. That way you won't miss it. And you guys take care of your Tucson, and I'll see you in the next one.